Welcome to 5% Trader Workshop on Stock Market. So, I really want to congratulate you for taking this step in order to become successful in what you're doing. Okay, what you want to become. Okay, so the thing is that a lot of people will not take action, right? So, you have taken this action. I really want to congratulate you on that. Okay, so before starting this, I want you to have a clear mindset that what you really want. Okay. So the next few sessions, okay, so that and I'm going to take you through this journey. Okay, it will be wonderful, I'm telling you. Okay. So I'll be sharing you with you a lot of different ideas, so a lot of different concepts. You don't need to take all those concepts, or you don't need to take all those ideas. Even if you take a one idea, and even if you implement that idea, you can become successful. That's what I can say. Okay, it's not in knowing, it's about implementing. That's what I'm coming to say here. Okay, so let's get into the stock market first. Okay, so the first thing, first question I want to ask you is that, so please take a moment back and think why you really want to be in a stock market. Okay, why you really want to come into the stock market, that is what I'm asking you. Okay, I want you to please pause this video and take a moment, and after that, I will answer what you're really looking for. Okay, so let's see, take a moment and pause this video and think about it, really what you want. Okay, hope you taken a time and thought about this, that I know what you are coming to answer. You want to make money in a stock market, right? So that's what a lot of people are thinking, right? Just I know that answer. So but actually, this, when I used to ask this question, like, what you really want from stock market, a lot of people will tell that they, yeah, they want to make money from stock market. But the actual thing is that if you observe that or not, I really don't know. But you want to become rich, there is something in your mind that some corner of in your mind that says that you want to become rich in a market, a stock market, right? So that's why a lot of people coming into the stock market in order to become rich. Okay, so what I'm coming to say is that first, before starting this beautiful workshop, you need to have a clarity why you're coming for a stock market, that you want to become rich, right? So if you want to become rich means, I'm telling you, there are two different ways are there. Okay, I'm giving you two options. Okay, see, the first thing is that you should have already become a rich, otherwise you should be in a way to become rich. That's what I'm telling you. Okay, so what I'm coming to say tell you is that there are two ways to become rich. Okay, so the first one is that you have to create a new way to become rich. Okay, that it takes a time and do a lot of efforts and all everything, that's fine. And the second way is that, so there are already a lot of rich peoples are there, you can see, right? So I can name them. Okay, you only know what are the big businessmen, these things, these peoples and all. There are a lot of rich peoples are there, right? So what if you follow their principle? What if you do what they are doing? Can you become rich or not? At least, can you achieve what they achieved, like now? In 10%, can you achieve what they achieved? Okay, there is a possibility that if you have a blueprint that what they have done, definitely you can do that. Okay, there is a saying, if you want to become successful, then start doing what successful people are doing, right? So then if you want to become rich, then start doing what rich people are doing. That's what I'm coming to tell you. Okay, so that means you should know what that rich peoples are doing. That is very much important. Okay, so you choose between these two. If I ask you to choose between these two, a lot of people will say, sir, I want to follow the path of others, those who already achieved. That means why? That is a smartest decision, because so there are results already in front of us, right? So you are coming into the stock markets today, you have to take this as a business, right? Like, this is not like a job or anything like that. This is like a business. You are coming into the stock market. So what I'm coming to say is that, so if you follow their path, what they're doing, then suddenly this question will come, so then what these rich people are doing. So I'm going to give you a few examples what they're doing, like this. Throughout the workshop, I'll be giving you some ideas, you can work out on that. Okay, that really expand the whole idea of this first session. So first, this is the first session. Okay, I'm not going to teach you anything here, I'm going to expand your mind here. Okay, in terms of thinking. Okay, let me put this. Okay, so for example, let's take like in a middle class people, when they get a salary, what they will do. Okay, a lot of us, what we will do actually. So we will first, when we get a salary, we will spend. That's what we will do. Okay, we'll spend, we have a commitment, all those things. Then after that, whatever the remaining amount we have, that we will save it. That's what lot of 90% people are doing. right? So but think about rich person, okay? Rich people, what they will do, this is a secret number one, understand this. When they get a money, okay, part of their money goes into another income producing activity. That's what they will do. They will invest in something, which produces the income for them. Let me tell you one thing. Rich people are not working 24 hours, I'm telling you. Rich people are not working 24 hours. Rich people's money is working for them 24 hours, I'm telling you. Even while they are sleeping also they're making money, because they are not working, their money is working for them. That is what you need to understand. Okay, so when you come into the stock market, you need to have that highest mindset, I'm telling you. If you keep a narrow mindset and keep blaming the people, so why you are not successful and all, so that nobody can become successful if they think like that. That's why I want to expand your mind just like that. That's why this is first session, so you have a clarity how much money you want to make in a stock market. Please write somewhere how much money you want to make in the stock market. Set a clear goal what you really want, okay, in stock market in next 5 to 10 years. Okay, so in how much time you want to master this trading game. Okay, some people will take a 5 years, some people will take a 10 years to master the trading, I'm telling you. Okay, I'm telling you at least you need a 3 to 4 years to master the trading. Okay, so for that you think about, if I'm telling you 3 years means, you just think about, what if you can able to learn in 1 or 2 years, what if I can double my effort. You have to think like that, you have to expand your mind. Okay, this is not a one day game, I'm telling you. So please understand this. So please think in a higher way. That's what I'm coming to say here. Okay, I want you to open the mind for the maximum possibilities. Okay, so let's get back to the topic right now. Okay, so the thing is that, so why these people, like big institutional, all these companies, why they're coming for a stock market? Do you have any idea why they're coming for, like in the big companies, like Tech Mahindra, Infosys, ICICI Bank, LIC housing? Why they're coming for a stock market? Do you know why they're coming for a stock market? A lot of people don't know about that. Okay, the thing why they're coming for a stock market, I'm telling you. Let's say you're running some business. Okay, if I take a paint here, look at that. You are running some business, right? So in your region, local, okay, in your state, so you're successful, quite successful. You're making money and everything is fine. But you one day you got this thought that you want to expand your business across the country, right? If you want to expand the business across the country means you need to have a money. Okay, you need to have that much capital. You don't have right now. What you will do? You will come into the stock market. You will come into the stock market and you will register your company through exchanges like this. For example, nsindia.com, bscindia.com. These are all the two websites I'm giving you today. Okay, these are the stock exchanges. These two stock exchanges, whatever you want to trade or invest, these are two exchanges. These companies will come into the stock market and they will register, and they will collect money from people like, for example, large investors and people like us. They will collect money by issuing the shares. In terms of shares, they will give shares and they will take back money and they will expand their business and they will grow. And if they make money, shareholders, you are also make money. If they lose money, shareholders, you also lose money. That is the main basic thing why they are coming for the stock market. That is what we have to understand. The second thing is that they were coming for a stock market for the capital growth also. Okay, then you can ask me, sir, why we are going for a stock market? Us as retail investors, we are going for a stock market for our short term capital growth, right? As a speculators, we are going into the stock market, okay, to grow our capital. So then the second thing is that these are the two websites. Please make a note of this. And the third website I'm going to give you today, that is moneycontrol.com. Okay, please make a note of that. A lot of you people know this probably, but take a note of this. These are three basic website I'm going to give in this session. So in the coming sessions, I'll be giving you a lot of website, other different websites also. But as of now, the whole purpose of this video is to expand your thinking. That's why the first session is. Okay, I'm not going to teach anything in this session, so I'm going to stop this video as of right now. So what I'm telling you is that, please make these three website, make a note of this, and sit back and think what you really want from stock market and why you are coming for a stock market. Take a moment. I will see you next session. Okay, thank you very much.